हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन योर पीडी एजुकेशन। सो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे आपको पता है हम मटेरियल साइंस की 5 क्वेश्चंस जो कि फंडू 5 क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज चल रही है यूट्यूब के ऊपर फॉर एक्सी मटेरियल साइंस एंड जो थोड़ा डेप्थ में टॉपिक्स हैं, कुछ जैसे डिफ्यूज़न हुआ, जैसे टॉपिक्स जो मैकेनिकल में नहीं आते हैं वो आप स्किप कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज मैकेनिकल के लिए भी ये वीडियोज़ यूज़फुल हैं। ओके, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना। अगर कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हो। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो ऑफ और विद कैन से फर्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट डिफिकल्ट कैटेगरी क्वेश्चन। ये एक प्रैक्टिकल सा क्वेश्चन है, आपको अच्छा लगेगा इसको पढ़ के। ओके, ए प्लेट ऑफ आयरन इज एक्सपोज टू ए कार्बोराइजिंग कार्बन रिच एटमॉस्फेयर on one side and decarburized carbon deficient atmosphere on the other side at this much degree Celsius। तो we have a plate, okay, so we can say we have a plate। ये आपके पास प्लेट है एंड हमें कार्बोराइजिंग ऑपरेशन करना है। एक साइड कार्बन रिच है आपके पास, ओके, एंड एक साइड आपके पास क्या है, डेफिशिएंट। किसका? कार्बन का, बिकॉज हमें कार्बन ही तो इंसर्ट करनी है ना। इट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कार्बोराइजिंग एट दिस मच ऑफ टेम्परेचर इफ ए कंडीशन ऑफ स्टेडी स्टेट इज अचीव्ड। सो स्टेडी स्टेट कंडीशन इज अचीव्ड। सो वेन एवर वी आर डीलिंग विद द डिफ्यूजन एंड कंडीशन इज गिवन स्टेडी स्टेट, देन वी कैन यूज द फिक्स फर्स्ट लॉ। ओके, if condition is unsteady state, then we have to use fix I can say second law. Here we can use first law. Now calculate the diffusion flux. So we have to calculate the diffusion flux small j of a carbon through the plate if the concentration of carbon at a position of 5 and 10 mm. So here some condition of 5 mm and here some condition or point or plane of 10 at 10 mm given, and मीटर में आप ये कर सकते हो, beneath the carburizing surface is this, so concentration of carbon is given. So here concentration of carbon is 1.2 and here it is 0.8 because carbon is entering through this, and so when it goes to carbon percentage just keep on decreasing. Okay, so this is the graph for carbon with x, and we can say assume the diffusivity coefficient this. So इसका formula क्या होता है आपके पास, simply diffusivity coefficient into change in concentration with respect to x. So this is I can say fix first law, इसका negative sign आएगा। Now basically ये आपको क्या देता है, बेसिकली J इज अ फ्लक्स, ओके, दैट कितना आई कैन से मास ऑफ आपका जो डिफ्यूजिंग स्पीस जो कार्बन अंदर जा रहा है पर यूनिट टाइम पर यूनिट एरिया। ओके, नाउ डिफ्यूजिविटी कोफिशिएंट यू हैव गिवन दैट इज 3 × 10⁻⁻11 मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड इंटू C2 माइनस C1। सो C2 इज 0.8 माइनस C1 1.2 आई कैन से मीटर क्यूब में यूनिट्स हैं। X you have to convert it into meter. Okay, so I can just write that we can say 10 divided by 1000 minus 5 divided by 1000, and इसको आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो। सो व्हेन यू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन यू विल गेट द एग्जैक्ट आंसर। सो लेट मी गिव यू द एग्जैक्ट आंसर। सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला, एंड व्हेन यू पुट इन सुटेबल यूनिट्स यू विल गेट 2.4 into 10⁻⁹ kg per meter square. So let me told you that this question is from the syllabus of material science XC. Okay, material science मैकेनिकल के लिए this topic is not in syllabus. Now अगर ये क्वेश्चन अच्छा लगा तो थम्स अप कर देना, लाइक कर देना वीडियो को। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ देखते हैं। स्टील टैंक कंटेन हाइड्रोजन एट ए कांस्टेंट प्रेशर ऑफ दिस मच एटमॉस्फेयर। तो आपके पास एक स्टील टैंक है, अब उसका कुछ थिकनेस बना लेते हैं, ये स्टील टैंक, एंड मैं इसको अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पस से थोड़ा आपकी थिकनेस को बड़ा करके दिखा रहा हूँ सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड। ओके, तो इसके अंदर एक आपके पास क्या है, हाइड्रोजन गैस है, एंड उसका प्रेशर कितना है, 10 एटमॉस्फेयर। ओके, सो टेम्परेचर इज दिस एंड गैस इज दिस, एंड आउटसाइड इज एट वैक्यूम। सो आउटसाइड देयर इज ए वैक्यूम आई कैन से। द हाइड्रोजन कंसंट्रेशन एट inner surface of the tank is this. So at the inner surface, so if I take two surfaces, okay, so if I take two surfaces I can say here I am going to take two surfaces. So at the inner surface concentration of carbon that is C1 I can say 10 kg per meter cube, and diffusion coefficient I can say diffusion coefficient through this, that is capital D, is going to 10⁻⁹. Calculate the rate at which hydrogen escape through the wall of steel tank which has a thickness of this. So इसका thickness कितना है wall का, 5 mm. Now here I can say x is 0 and here I can say x equal to 5 divided by 1000 meter. Here concentration is 10, here concentration is 0. Now everything is given. I have to just calculate rate at which hydrogen escape through the wall of the steel tank. So it means I have to calculate diffusion. I can say diffusion flux. Okay, so minus d dc by dx. So simply I can put the value of everything, and after that I can just calculate. So let me give you the solution of this question. So here you can see solution स्टेडी स्टेट कंडीशन हो जाएगी, फिक्स लॉ आपके पास अवेलेबल हो जाएगा, देन यू कैन जस्ट पुट द वैल्यूज हियर लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज डी एंड as you know that C2 minus C1, so C2 is 0 minus C1 is given in this 10. Okay, 10, so 10 is given, so it is going to be minus 10. So minus of minus formula, and this is going to be cancelled, divided by x2 minus x1. So x2 is 5 into 10 is to minus 3 and x1 is 0. So from this you can calculate the value. So answer is 2 into 10 is to power minus 10 kg per meter square second inverse. Now another important question, let's see the solution of this question. Gallium is to be diffused into pure silicon. Okay, so suppose this is a silicon, so इसके अंदर you have to just diffuse the gallium gas. Okay, so gallium such that concentration at a depth of this distance, that is 10 raised to minus 3, will be 1/2 of the surface concentration. Suppose it is talking about this plane and distance of this plane from the surface. So we are taking this as a surface because gallium is entering through this. So concentration at this surface, suppose CS. Let me change the color of the pen. So concentration here the concentration is CS, and at this distance, that is 10 raised to power minus 3 centimeter, concentration is Cx, and it is given that it is half of the surface concentration. Okay, given that the diffusibility coefficient, okay, D of gallium at this much of temperature is 6 into 10 to power minus 11. Okay, so it is 6 into 10 to power minus 11 time the silicon water wafer heated in contact with gallium at this temperature. Error function of 0.5 is this. So formula for solution of this question is Cx minus C naught divided by Cs minus C naught equal to 1 minus error function of x divided by 2 under root of capital D into T, where x is the distance, T is the time taken to heat the plate up to this, and we have to calculate time just in seconds, and D is the diffusivity coefficient. This is ERF, error function, Cx, C naught, and this. So if C naught is not given, you can take it as 0. What is the meaning of C naught? C naught is initial concentration or concentration at any distance at x infinity. Okay, so we are just taking it 0, and Cx is Cs divided by 2 and divided by Cs, and you can take minus error function of this quantity x divided by 2 under root dt. Now when you cancel these terms, it is 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 error function of x2 under root d into t. So when आप इसको solve करोगे तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? error function of x2 under root d into t is equal to 1 by 2, but it is given in the question that error function of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, so it means error function of this quantity must be equal to 1 by 2. That is why its value should be 1 by 2. So x by 2 under root d t equal to 1 by 2, and it is going to be cancelled. So x is given to you, this is given to you, you can just simply calculate the time. Okay, I hope you get the idea about this question, and it is a very simple, easy, and directly formula based question. Okay, now let's proceed, and let me give you the answer of this question first of all. So here you can see the formula, and when you put the value, this should be the answer. So please calculate and match your answer with this. Now again, let's see the important question and easy question. Consider one such alloy that initially has a uniform carbon concentration of this. So initial concentration is what? C naught, 0.25, and treated at a 1750 degree Fahrenheit. Its concentration of carbon at a surface is suddenly brought. So surface concentration suddenly brought and maintained up to this. So Cs is equal to 1.2. And how long will it take to achieve a carbon content of this? So we need carbon content Cx 0.8, and the distance x is 0.5 mm. The diffusion coefficient of carbon in iron is this. So D is given to you, So assume the steel piece is semi-infinite. What is the meaning of semi-infinite? This surface, okay, like this surface, that x start from 0, but there is no ending of x infinity. So whatever the initial concentration, it should be maintained at this distance, that is c naught. Okay, so I hope you get the idea about this. Okay, so everything is given to you that we have just calculated in previous formula. Cx minus c naught divided by cs minus c naught 1 minus error function of x by 2 under root d into t, and this is the formula. So this quantity is given to you, x is given to you, and d is given to you. You have to calculate the t. Okay, now let's see that we can solve this question or not. First of all, this is given to you, and after solving you will get this. Now the question is that how you will able to calculate the error function of this, that is this. Okay, that for what value of this error function gives you the value. So in the question this table should be given. Okay, so you can assume that this table is given to you. Okay, so error function ka value for what value of z is this. Okay, for z, for value of z, for this value of 0.35 error function is this, and for this value of z error function is 0.4284, but this value lie between these two values. So I assume some z, and for that z we need the value 0.4210. so after interpolation you can calculate the value of z. It means this value is equal to 0.392. so from this I can calculate t as 25,400 seconds or 7.1 hour. Okay, now let's see the next question. The diffusion coefficient of copper in aluminium at 500 and 600 degrees Celsius is this. Okay, so diffusion coefficient at 500 degrees Celsius is given, and diffusion coefficient at 600 degrees Celsius is given. Okay, determine the approximate time at 500 degrees Celsius that will produce the same diffusion result. So we have to calculate the time at 500 degrees Celsius that will produce the same result. What is the meaning of in terms of concentration of copper at some specific point? It means at same specific point. Suppose this is the time, so x is going to remain same. So x for this equal to x for this, that x 500 equal to x 600. Okay, as a 10-hour heat treatment at 600 degrees Celsius, so time for this is 600 this 10 hours. So formula for this is x square by d into t. Okay, so I can just modify this formula, that this is the condition 1 and this is the condition 2. So x1 d1 t1 equal to x2 square d2 square and d2 into t2. so after this value is going to be cancelled, so you can just calculate by simple calculation d1 t1 equal to d2 t2, and you will get the value of t2. So let's see the solution. So solution is that after getting these values, I have already told you that this formula, and after putting the value you will get the result 110.4 hours. Okay, so thank you very much friends. This is all about today's video. I hope you like the session, and you will basically support us and give the feedback. Okay, so we are just covering each and every topic, and will try that provide enough questions to you that you will able to crack GATE material science as well as mechanical, so that we can open more opportunity in GATE. Thank you very much friends, and keep preparing.